be kind of confusing. And this is with fractions and decimals. What happens when we have 1/2 to the third power, or what happens if we have 0.2 to the third power? And this isn't really hard, it just gets a little confusing at times. You don't do anything different than with whole numbers. 1/2 to the third power is 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Be careful with that, because a lot of times I see 3's out there, because people see or whatever. 2 times 2 times 2 is not 6, but 8. 1/2 to the third power. This really is the same thing as 1 to the third power over 2 to the third power. Same spiel. And a lot of times I see people write down for this either 0.6 or 0.8. Okay, and that is incorrect as well. Why is 0.8 not correct? Can you see this?
I can see the shadow.
Everybody tell me why 0.8 isn't correct for this. Because most people think it is right up there. Kayleen?
Because you have to move the desk.
Yeah, there's a lot of decimal movement in here. If you take 0.2, let's do it once, times 0.2, you get 4, but there's 2 decimal places, so this is actually 0.04 when you do it times once. If I take 0.04 times 0.2 one more time, yeah, I get an 8 in there, but there's 1, 2, 3 decimal places. Your answer should actually be 0.008. So it's just a little word of caution and warning when you see these. You know, sometimes we're a little quick on the trigger and we don't think about what we're doing, and you just write down some inexplicable sort of answers. Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Why would it be 5 decimals?
Well, you have to think about this as a whole separate problem here. Once you do this problem and you get 0.04 for your answer, you don't still look at these things. This is your answer, and it's that times 0.2. There's only 3 decimals there. So you're not remultiplying what you've already multiplied there. That's a good question. Is this done?